Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm back with yet another wonderfully delicious pudding. Gulab Jamun is one of the traditional classic desserts of India, and I'm making it in a very simplified and easy way. This is instant Gulab Jamun, which can be made in just under 10 minutes with very simple ingredients. Before we start, thank you very much for visiting this channel. If you like easy, tasty and exciting recipes, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications of all very simple and easy recipes that I post on this channel. Let's start by looking at the list of ingredients for this instant Gulab Jamun. In this recipe, I'm using buns, sweet buns. I've taken 4 sweet buns for this recipe. You can also use bread and you do not have to trim the edges, just use the slices as such. 4 to 5 slices of bread or sweet buns, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter or clarified butter, which is ghee, 3 pinches of good quality saffron, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of water and 2 cups of oil. Into your mixie or blender jar, start by breaking the bun or the bread slices into chunks like this. Blitz the bread to fine powder. Tip the powdered bread into a bowl and add the milk powder and unsalted butter or ghee at room temperature. Press like this and combine with a spatula. Into this mixture, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time and combine gently to form a soft dough. For 4 to 5 slices of bread, do not add more than 3 tablespoons of milk, otherwise the dough will become really loose and thin. This has to be a soft dough which we can bring together as a ball. Once this is well combined, use your hands to press firmly and bring it all together. This has now become a soft crumbly texture, so I'm using my hands to bring it together as a soft dough ball. Cover this and let it rest for about 2 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's make the sugar syrup. Boil together 1 cup of sugar with 2 cups of water. To flavor the sugar syrup, I'm using cardamom pods. Just lightly crush the cardamom pods and put it into the sugar syrup. You could also use cinnamon if you like the flavor of cinnamon. Into this, add a big pinch of saffron. Bring this to a boil on high flame and stir in between. This sugar syrup doesn't have to be thick. It shouldn't really reach that single string consistency. The sugar needs to melt and become a syrupy consistency, but it should not be thick, because if it is thick, the Gulab Jamun balls will not sink into the sugar syrup and they will just float, and that will not give it the right texture. So make sure the sugar syrup doesn't become too thick. Also, in another pan, let's heat 2 cups of oil to fry the dough balls. While the oil is warming up, let's make small 1-inch balls of Gulab Jamun. Just lightly knead the dough first and try and make almost the same size dough balls. It should be just about an inch in diameter, because once you put them in the oil and then back into the syrup, it would slightly expand, so just an inch of thickness should be plenty. The sugar syrup is now ready and exactly how it should be, so let's turn the flame off. Oil is now really hot, so let's place the dough balls carefully into the hot oil. Mind your fingers when you do this because the oil will be extremely hot. These balls will cook really fast, so just about a minute should be more than enough for making them turn into a golden brown color, which is exactly when we need to take this out. So I've just turned the Gulab Jamun balls now, and they are exactly the color I want them to be, just the golden brown color of Gulab Jamuns, and they look lovely. So it's about time I have to remove them from the hot oil. I'm using my metal tea strainer for this because it's easy to get the balls out this way. Strain away the oil and place them directly into the warm sugar syrup, and that's it. Our Gulab Jamun is ready. Just let the Gulab Jamun balls soak in the hot sugar syrup for some time so that it will absorb the sugar syrup and become really spongy and sweet and get that lovely, soft, smooth, velvety sort of texture. It's so delicate. As you can see, the inside is really cooked and very soft and tender, and they are so delicious. It just melts in your mouth and you certainly will not be able to stop with just one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please let me know your feedback and your thoughts in the comments below. And if there are any recipes that you would like me to post on this channel, please do let me know. Enjoy the Gulab Jamuns with saffron and crushed nuts on the top and with lots of sugar syrup. Please do subscribe to this channel for many more excitingly easy, simple and yummy recipes. Thanks again for watching and see you soon with another easy recipe.